Alright, and she's gonna take some skin tonish cream and rub it on her cheeks and chin and her forehead and keep rubbing it in until it's all blended out. And just make sure it's blended in. And then she's gonna check and use wet it and then squeeze out the wetness on her beauty blender. And she's gonna blend it out some more. Just dot it around her face, and then she's gonna take a little packet of skin tonish cream again, put it under her eyes, cover up some dark circles, and then she's gonna put some on her forehead and her nose, and under her nose and on her chin. She's gonna rub all that in. She's gonna use her beauty blender again, make sure it's a little damp, and just dot, scrub it around. She do it all around her face and make sure it's all good and blended in. And then she's gonna take what looks like some powder for her face to just put it all together, and on her cheeks and mostly just the bottom of her face, not like on the forehead, and rub it around, pat, and then it looks like she's gonna take some dark powder, way darker than her skin, and then rub it around where she put her other powder, and she's gonna mix it in with the other kind, and then just blot it. Then she's gonna take a pinkish, reddish, flowery blush, rub it on her cheeks, make her cheeks sparkly. She put some on her forehead and chin. Then she's gonna take some, I think it's liquid eyeshadow, or for eyebrows. Yeah, eyebrow liquids stuff. And she's gonna take some eyeshadow, put that on. It's like a brownish color, brown with gray color. And she's gonna rub that in on both of her eyes. Make sure it's really good in. And she's gonna take a different brush. Pick up a different brush and rub it in with that other brush. And she's gonna take that same brush and put some white eyeshadow on it. She's gonna rub that in and mix it with the other kind. She just dabbing it on top of the other kind, doing her thing. Then the other eye, she'll do it to the other eye. And then she's taking mascara. She's gonna put it on her eyelashes. And she's gonna really concentrate so she don't mess up. Alright? She's gonna take like a black stick and rub it on the bottom of her eyelid. And then she says she's doing really good. Right. She's gonna take some red lip liner. She's gonna line her lips. And then she's gonna take some splash pinkish red lipstick, and she's gonna try and get a lot on there. And then she's gonna put it on her lips, of course. And then gonna make sure it's good on. Got a rosy color on her lips. And then she's gonna, I think this is setting it and forgetting it, she says.